It's important to keep your computer updated for several reasons. No matter the operating system, you're always going to have issues if you don't update, right? So not only does it help with security vulnerabilities if your device gets compromised, or we want to prevent it from getting compromised, I guess is what I'm saying there. If your system isn't functioning properly like it normally would, an update should resolve that. Now, a common misconception is that after you apply these updates, so you just shut down your computer, turn the computer back on. This actually puts your computer in a hybrid state if it comes down to a Windows device. You want to fully reboot your device. That will shut down all processes and ensure that any services running in the background also get shut down with the device and will turn back on. This will provide those updates with the current and latest patches and make sure that it runs smoothly afterwards. If you're still having issues after this, then you want to contact us and we'd be happy to help.